Hey, welcome to a 2-minute, maybe a haul, maybe a shop with me. But I'm at a brand new Dollar Tree. My daughter's at the movies with my friend. I've got 2 hours to kill. Let's go. Okay, diving right into a hot item, which I know is hard to find, this Valentine's reform. Love it. And check this out, little fortune cookies. I think they're foam. This one's got red and white, and then the other one's got little pink inside. And I don't know if you can see what they say. So cute. 10 for $1. I think that's a great deal. All right, these are super cute. I don't know if you can tell again, but the heart and the rose are like little 3D. Look at these scarves. I think these are high quality. I mean, the tassel makes it look like you did not buy this at Dollar Tree. Agree or disagree? And Dollar Tree and their signs, they're killing it. I mean, there's that red truck everyone's looking for. There's so many. And then these galvanized hearts. I've seen so many people just display the sign or take the hearts off for other crafts. I think they're so cute. You guys, look at the fairy garden stuff I found. This end cap is stocked. So it's the regular fairy garden, but then they also have the candy / ice cream / sweet shop fairy garden. I did not buy any of these because I don't need it. I don't display. Oh gosh, but they're so cute. And I know I'm gonna regret not buying these, especially that, oh gosh, that ice cream little camper. Oh man. Fully stocked. I really hit the jackpot here at this Dollar Tree. Okay, I randomly walked down the birthday party section and check out these unicorns. Tons of different colors. That was a brand new item for me. I'd never seen those before. All right, last but not least, also in the birthday party section, look at these. They're called blocks, but let's face it, they're Legos, and they're stickers. It's kind of hard to tell, but you can kind of like dress up your Legos. And this video is not that great. But anyway, check it out. I thought that was really cool. You know, there's girly ones and boyish ones. Here's some of the stickers. All right, you know how this works. Like, subscribe. See you later.